We're going up to the cave here, exploring it.
Ow, that hurts. It could not be here. That was easier to find than I thought. Okay, guys, something might live in here. There's poop.
There's poop.
Big poop or tiny poop? Tiny poop.
Oh, I found it.
Where?
Let's see if you guys could find it. I see it. It's really big and cool. Or show me the cave. Show me the cave first. Let's see the cave.
I'm gonna go check.
And I'll play a little game. Oh wow, that is cool. Yeah, you could totally like hang out in there and run a little fire and stay warm. And
Where is it?
Caden's smart. He's going back to where I spotted it from.
I know.
He doesn't see it. Kinley, do you see it? Weston, do you see it?
Oh yeah, I see it. Where is it?
Weston found the clue. Caden's getting warmer.
Oh, I see it.
Emmy
It's
sees
right
it.
there.
Where? Show us, Emmy.
Oh, I see it.
Addie sees it. Weston and Caden do not see it.
I see it. It's right there. No, but
Weston sees it. Okay, let's go check it out. Okay, just be respectful to it. Don't climb on it. Don't pick at it. We're just looking at it, okay?
what? I mean, I'm really.
Show us the way, Weston. Ooh. How cool is that?
Oh, it is. Oh.
What do you see? What do you see in it? It's like bird tracks and
No, and I see like arrow.
Like a bullseye thing.
Yeah.
I still don't see how you
Yeah,
got
maybe it's like
that
a
whole story
sun.
from this, but you know.
Is that a stone?
that's the Rosetta Stone. It
So,
looks like you kids made some art on it. Wonder if it was like a kid or an adult or who made this, huh?
Guessing.
I gotta say something. How did they get a whole story out of this?
What was the story? Do you remember?
A signet.
Oh yay, it's a big signal. You know, why don't we just pick it up?
Well, what a cool place.
How is this? This is really high because it's like.
All right, you guys want to get up there and I'll take some pictures of you? Why don't you get up there?
Get on it.
Like get on it, or like just like stand behind it.
This is as far as I can get. Don't go on the
Why don't you climb up there? Yeah, just stay back. Get your fingers back from the carvings.
I just want to.
All right.
I can't.
No, just Emmy.
I thought I just found bamboo. What?
You're not gonna hurt the rock, but yeah, just the image. You wanna just respect it. We don't need to touch it or poke it with sticks or.
And I
Okay, Kinley,
also
get up
found
there.
something over there I wanted to go.
Kinley is a lion today.
Her bottom button, her bottom button was open.
All right.
Bottom button.
All right, everybody say Rosetta Stone.
Rosetta Stone!
Okay, Weston, I can't see you. Okay, say Rosetta Stone.
Rosetta Stone!
Whoa.
Okay.
All right. Good job, kids.
I found something else I wanted to go see.
Okay, then you lead the way.
So do you guys remember what this thing's called?
The Rosetta Stone.
But what is it though?
It's an Indian carving, and it sounds like a whole story.
Yeah, what do they call Indian carvings though?
I don't know.
Starts with a P.
P.
I mentioned the word a few times.
Got the P.
Petroglyph.
Oh, guys, this rock is actually super.
And what Native American tribe?
Indians.
What were our local Native American tribes called?
Indians. You're taking this a whole nother level.
The Paiutes.
Paiutes.
Yep, Paiutes. Okay.
Is that why they got Paiute Palace?
Well, it's not called the Paiute Palace anymore, but yes.
Well, what's it called there?
I don't know what it's called. All right.